The 10 best ways to make your Brazilian wax hurt less. Getting a Brazilian wax can be painful, but it doesn't have to hurt. Whether you're re-getting your first Brazilian wax or you've been waxed before and just want to reduce the pain, we've got you covered. We will share 10 best tips that can help make your Brazilian wax less painful. Let's get started. Number 1. Exfoliate 24 hours before. Exfoliating the area 24 hours before your wax will remove dead skin cells and hair that could be clogging your pores. This will also prevent ingrown hairs, which are common after a Brazilian wax. To exfoliate, use a gentle scrub or a loofah on the area where you will be waxing. Be gentle, and don't press too hard as this can cause irritation. After exfoliating, rinse the area with cold water and pat it dry. You may also want to consider taking a warm bath or shower to open up your pores even further. No. 2. Avoid caffeine on waxing day. Caffeine is a stimulant, and it can make your body more sensitive to pain. This means that if you drink coffee or tea on the day of your wax, you may experience more pain than if you had abstained from caffeine. So it's best to avoid caffeine on the day of your wax to help reduce pain. It's also important to note that alcohol should be avoided before a wax as it can thin the blood and make it easier for the wax to pull out hair by the roots. No. 3. Take a mild pain reliever. Taking a mild pain reliever, like acetaminophen or ibuprofen, 30 minutes to an hour before your wax can help reduce pain and inflammation. Just be sure to follow the directions on the label and don't take more than the recommended dose. You can also ask your doctor or pharmacist if it is safe to take a pain reliever before a wax. Some people also find that applying a hot compress to the area being waxed can help reduce pain and inflammation. You can do this by soaking a towel in hot water, wringing it out and then applying it to the area for 10 to 15 minutes before the wax. Number 4. Choose hard wax for sensitive areas. Hard wax is a type of wax that is specifically designed to be less irritating to the skin. It's made with natural ingredients like beeswax, and it's perfect for sensitive areas like the face, underarms and bikini line. Hard wax is applied to the skin and then allowed to harden before being removed. This type of wax is less likely to cause redness, irritation or burning, making it a great option for those with sensitive skin. Additionally, hard wax is often more effective at removing fine and light hairs than soft wax. So it may be a better choice if you have light or peach fuzz. No. 5. Schedule during mid-cycle. If you have a regular menstrual cycle, it's best to schedule your wax appointment for mid-cycle. This is because the pain threshold is higher when estrogen levels are higher, which occurs mid-cycle. So if you're looking to minimize pain during your wax, try to schedule your appointment for the week or two before your period is due to start. However, it's important to listen to your body and reschedule if you're in a lot of pain or discomfort. Number 6. Keep skin taut during application. Keeping the skin tight during the application process can help reduce the amount of pressure the wax puts on the skin, leading to less pain. To do this, you can ask your esthetician to pull the skin tight before applying the wax, or you can try using your fingers or a partner's tongue to pull the skin tight. Additionally, keeping the skin taut during removal can also help reduce pain. This can be done by holding your breath and tightening your abdominal muscles as the wax is being removed. Number 7. Use numbing cream 30 minutes prior. Using a numbing cream like lidocaine or benzocaine can help reduce pain during a Brazilian wax. These creams work by numbing the area where they're applied, so they can be very effective in reducing discomfort during waxing. To use a numbing cream, apply it to the area you'll be waxing about 30 minutes before your appointment. Then let it sit on your skin for the full 30 minutes before being waxed. You can purchase numbing creams online or at some pharmacies without a prescription. However, it's always a good idea to talk to your healthcare provider before using any new creams or ointments, especially if you have sensitive skin or allergies. Number 8. Breathe deeply during removal. When the wax is being removed, take a deep breath and count to 5. This can help relax your body and reduce the amount of pain you feel. Inhaling deeply can also help increase oxygen flow to the area, which can reduce inflammation and promote faster healing. Some people also find that focusing on their breath rather than the pain itself can be helpful in managing discomfort. If you're feeling anxious or nervous about the wax, take a few deep breaths before it starts to calm yourself down. Number 9. Avoid last-minute shaving. If you're planning to get a Brazilian wax, it's best to avoid shaving the area beforehand. Shaving can cause the hair to grow back, thicker and darker, which can make the waxing process more painful. Additionally, shaving can irritate the skin and make it more difficult for the wax to remove the hair effectively. It's recommended to wait at least 2 weeks after shaving before getting a Brazilian wax. During this time, the hair will have a chance to grow back in and become easier to wax. Number 10. Stay hydrated before appointment. Drinking plenty of water before your wax can help reduce pain and inflammation. Dehydration can make the skin more sensitive, so it's important to stay hydrated leading up to your appointment. Aim to drink at least 8 cups of water per day in the days leading up to your wax. You can also consider drinking a glass of water before your appointment to help reduce pain and inflammation. Staying hydrated can also help your body eliminate toxins and waste, which can improve overall health and well-being. Go to an experienced technician. A skilled and experienced technician will know how to perform the wax quickly and efficiently, which can help reduce the amount of pain you feel. An experienced technician will also know how to apply the wax at the right temperature and how to remove it effectively. This can help prevent skin tears and other injuries that can cause pain and discomfort. It's also important to find a technician who uses high-quality, hygienic products and follows proper sterilization techniques. You can ask your friends for recommendations or search online for reviews of waxing salons in your area. It's also a good idea to schedule a consultation with a few different technicians before making a decision. This will allow you to ask questions and get a feel for the environment before committing to a wax. Wear loose, breathable clothing after your wax. It's important to wear loose, breathable clothing to avoid irritating the newly waxed area. Tight clothing can cause friction and pulling on the skin, which can lead to redness, irritation, and even hair regrowth. Breathable fabrics like cotton and linen can help keep the area dry and reduce the risk of infection. You may also want to avoid wearing underwear for a few days after your wax to allow the skin to heal and breathe. Overall, taking these precautions can help reduce the risk of complications and ensure that your skin heals properly after your Brazilian wax. In addition to following these tips, it's also important to listen to your body and take breaks when needed. If you're experiencing severe pain or discomfort, don't hesitate to stop the waxing process and talk to your esthetician. With the right preparation and mindset, you can have a successful and relatively painless Brazilian wax experience. Do you find this video informative or helpful? Please let us know in the comments section below. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on future videos. Don't forget to like and share. Stay healthy.